Hey everyone, I'm Nelson Chen and I'm here at Independence Harbor. Today we're introducing 311 Nelson Court, a grand duplex townhome with 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, almost 1,800 square feet, and a coveted direct waterfront location with gorgeous river views. The interior of this home has been completely upgraded and it's ready for you to move in. You don't want to miss this opportunity. Give us a call to come check it out. And in the meantime, take a look around.